Blasting along these tracks on a Super Tenere with a great group of riding buddies was just awesome. The landscape and track conditions of the South Island change in the blink of an eye, and for some make us want to celebrate by lifting that front wheel. Climbs to 1800 metres and then back down into the muddy valleys when the fun really started.
That was bloody excellent!
Dodging the odd cow herd just added to the adventure.
My motorbike doesn't get eaten.
And when he could, Ed loved launching his Tenere. We got very practiced at riding through fast-flowing rocky river crossings and blasting through beech forests.
See, I was born a restless child, and I could hear the world outside calling me. And heaven knows how hard I've tried.
Off the ferry near Queenstown before more adventure, and finally arriving at our destination, the beach at Invercargill, where Bert Munro used to race. Mission accomplished, but we still had to head home through 200 kilometres of mountain trails and old gold mining tailings. And then off the Old Man Range and in the distant valley, Alexandra, where it all started 4 days before. What a ride.
You're looking a bit sweaty, mate. How's that Tenere going?
She's the perfect trail bike, designed for high country riding. Recommend to all.
When you wipe your mouth, you're dribbling.
There's a bit of dribble coming off your mouth and you look very tired.
You know I'm on the level because it's coming out both sides.
Oh, that's good.
We're going to go this way and we're going to get into some gnarly shit now. Oh, fuck.
The speeding train cut my hair and changed my name. Only had myself to blame for the company I was keeping. Curse my restless one.